The first volunteers received a vaccine in a new trial for coronavirus. Scientists at the Kaiser Permanente Washington Research Institute in Seattle have started the first stage study of a potential vaccine. The vaccine was developed in record time after the new virus spread rapidly across the world. But today's milestone is just the first step in a long process. This study is one of several being conducted worldwide. Experts say it will be at least a year before any vaccine is ready for widespread use. Well, the coronavirus epidemic is impacting many different walks of life, from maintaining a social life to keeping a steady income. Americans are struggling to navigate a new world with a global threat. Rob Dawson has the latest on the growing restrictions to our daily habits.
As Americans adjust to everyday life with the coronavirus pandemic, the fight to contain the outbreak is intensifying. On Sunday, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention advised against gatherings of 50 people or more through early May. Major cities across the country also temporarily shutting down nightlife. New York City clubs, movie theaters, and concert venues closing, while restaurants, bars, and cafes are only allowed to sell takeout or delivery. The Big Apple also joining the list of public school systems to call off classes.
This is a decision that I have taken with no joy whatsoever, with a lot of pain, honestly, because it's something I could not in a million years have imagined having to do.
Ohio, Illinois, and California also issuing similar restrictions on public spaces to help prevent the spread of the virus. Thousands of people in the restaurant industry now left without a job.
I do want us to all be safe and healthy, but I'm really concerned about how I'm going to pay my bills.
Despite the school closures, many districts are still delivering meals to students dependent on free or reduced lunches.
Just because the kids aren't in our building doesn't mean that they're not our responsibility.
As social distancing becomes the new norm, parents are teaching their kids how to stay safe.
Honestly, it's kind of heartbreaking telling them, you can't hold your friends' hands. We're not high-fiving right now. We're not hugging.
The CDC suggests to stay at least 6 feet away from anyone who appears sick and discourages handshakes and high fives.